11 Health benefits of extra virgin olive oil that you can't ignore. Olive oil is widely recognized as one of the world's healthiest oils. In fact, people tend to live longer and healthier lives in regions where olive oil is a staple part of the diet. Extra virgin olive oil (IVU) is the highest quality olive oil available, extracted from the olive fruit without the use of any heat or chemicals. In this article we're looking at the major health benefits of adding extra virgin olive oil to your diet, based on the latest scientific evidence. 1. Extra virgin olive oil is a fantastic source of antioxidants and healthy fats. Regular olive oil is refined and stripped of important nutrients and antioxidants. The fat composition of extra virgin olive oil is also a major contributor to its healthfulness. It's primarily made up of monounsaturated fat, approximately 73%, a heart-healthy fat that is a staple of the Mediterranean diet. Extra virgin olive oil is a rich source of antioxidants and monounsaturated fats, both of which are thought to protective cardiovascular health. 2. More olive oil could help reduce your risk of heart disease. Heart disease is the #1 cause of premature death worldwide. Extra virgin olive oil contains a number of active compounds that contribute to heart health. Observational studies consistently find that those who consume the most have a lower risk of heart disease. 3. Olive oil may protect against stroke. Stroke is the second largest killer after heart disease. A diet high in olive has been shown to dramatically reduce the risk of stroke in observational studies. 4. Extra virgin olive oil may help lower your risk of type 2 diabetes. A large analysis found that including olive oil in your daily diet could reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by 13%. In comparison to a low-fat diet, a diet high in olive oil was also found to help normalize blood glucose in people who already had type 2 diabetes. Extra virgin olive oil may help improve insulin sensitivity, which can help protect against type 2 diabetes or to manage pre-existing diabetes. 5. Extra virgin olive oil is the best cooking oil. There are a lot of different cooking oils that claim to be the best. When you consider its oxidative stability, superior antioxidant contents and ratio of monounsaturated fat, as well as its diverse flavor profile, extra virgin olive oil is easily the best choice for cooking. 6. Cooking with extra virgin olive oil can make your food more nutritious. Cooking with extra virgin olive oil can help retain, and in some instances increase, the number of nutrients and antioxidants in the cooked food that would otherwise be lost or damaged. 7. Olive oil consumption may improve bone health. Emerging evidence links polyphenols and olive oil consumption to a reduced risk of bone loss in old age. More research is required to prove this with any certainty. 8. The compounds in olive oil may protect against certain cancers. It's known that what and how we eat can influence cancer risk. Extra virgin olive oil could potentially protect against some cancers, at least theoretically. 9. A diet high in extra virgin olive oil may be good for brain health. Olive oil could potentially reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease and age-related dementia. Early research suggests that a diet high in extra virgin olive oil may inhibit the compounds responsible for Alzheimer's disease and dementia. 10. Olive oil can contribute to health and longevity. In regions where olive oil is a central part of the diet, people tend to live longer. Observational studies consistently show that those who eat a diet rich in extra virgin olive oil tend to live longer. 11. Australian extra virgin olive oil is the best quality. Not all extra virgin olive oil is created equal. For the healthiest and most nutritious olive oil, make sure to source yours locally and check for this Australian certification triangle. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.